When I think about Christmas, I think about the big family that I have. But my family is a unique family because it is a mix of many families in my life. I have my mom, dad, and brothers that I see every day. And I'm so blessed to have cousins, friends, and neighbors that I consider almost as close as my immediate family. One of my favorite parts about Christmas is it's the time when my family gets together the most. Some of the things we love to do are decorating cookies, eating lots of yummy food, making traditional Filipino stars called paroles, playing in the snow when we're in Colorado, going on adventures, looking at Christmas lights, drinking my mom's delicious hot cocoa. It's the best hot cocoa in the world, by the way. And playing games. Lots and lots of games. Every Christmas Eve, we hold candles at church to celebrate Jesus' birth. I love the songs we sing and the feeling of joy in the room. But I have to be honest, I'm a little scared of the hot wax. Shh. Some people think that family is only their mom, dad, and siblings. While that is true, family is not just the people that live with you, but they're the people that you love. I am so grateful for my big extended family. And I hope that you can all experience that joy of sharing good times with a community of people who love you and look out for you too. Treasure every moment because family is a gift. Don't be a humbug, a Grinch, a cotton-headed ninny muggins, or wish your family away. That never works out in any of the movies. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.